Hi, this is Healy Zavao. Today I will show you how to create an account in a quiz with Quizziz. You go to quizziz.com and you want to sign up. It's always best and easiest to do it with Google. After you sign up, you click here to log in to your account. And then you are directed to your dashboard. To start a quiz, you click Create a new quiz right here at the top. And you choose a name for the quiz, for example, present simple versus present progressive, and you choose the relevant subject, English. You click here to create a new question for your quiz, and you start writing your question. For example, John every morning. And then optional answers here. For example, eat, eats. You can add more. You can add is eating, and you can add eating. And then you want to tick the correct answer, John eats. You click save right here. And then it's you can add another question by clicking the plus sign or duplicate the question. And then you can just change the time expression to right now and change the answer. The correct answer is eating because it's present progressive right now. Present progressive. And then save. And then you just continue clicking the plus sign and adding questions. When you're done, you click finish quiz. So we want to preview the quiz. You want to choose the grades. And you want to choose if you have a link or an image that you want to add, but you don't have to. And then save. And then it's published. You can share it with other sharing options and then copy URL. So if you need to upload this to Moodle or to send this to a friend, you can just copy it from here and paste it in Moodle. Copy URL and paste it where you want to paste it. If it's Moodle, if it's Facebook, if it's just to email it to a friend, etc. So you're done. So how do we start the quiz? So this is our quiz right here, and you can see all your quizzes here in My Quizzes right here at the left side. And to start a quiz, we want to go in and then live game. And then you have classic, team, or test. Students answer. In the classic mode, students answer at their own pace, compete individually, and have a blast along the way. Another option is to do test, a no frills mode that's ideal for conducting a serious assessment, and this requires login. There's also team. Students answer at their own pace, but scores are grouped by team. So this is fun as well. You can choose the number of teams, let's say 4 teams, and you can start host game. When basically you do that, and then students copy this to the computer and they insert the code 667721. They go to join a game and they put their name, for instance, Healy, and then enter. And so their group is the Morning Owls. That's their group. So basically students are grouped automatically in the team mode. And this is the leaderboard, or basically the board. And students can look at the board and see if their team is winning. But they do play individually. And to end the game, we end here. And that's it. I hope you enjoy it. Bye-bye.